4 mlynedd yn ôl ydych chi efo ni, de?
Ia, yndi, mae'n 4 mlynedd yndi.
Ac yn sydyn, 4 mlynedd yn ddiweddarach, mae gen ti miliynau o plays ar Spotify.
Fi a Sean landed yma. Ia, da ni wedi bod yn cydweithio ar y prosiect yn Alffa ers rhyw 5 mlynedd wan. A ia, da ni wedi rhyddhau cwpl o senglau a stuff. A just enjoyo fo, just trio gigio gymaint o'n ni'n gallu. A rhywsyd nath ni cael, ia, miliwn o ffrydiau efo Gwenwyn. A mae bod dim di rhywsyd mynd o'n erth i nerth. Dwi'n meddwl, os o'n i'n gwrando nôl, so di bendant yn trio recordio mwy a trio dysgu mwy o'r ochr yna. A mae'r cwrs da chi'n gynnig yn gorffen. I think we were in a very lucky year when we had very good musicians at the same time. And it was very exciting for us to go in every Thursday, I think it was, just to enjoy ourselves, just to jam with different people, to meet different people. Because yeah, I think that was very important for me, because when I did gigs and stuff, I bumped into these people again, and I know them, and I still know I'm friends with them. I worked with a drummer, and yeah, Owen did something that stuck with me for a while. He didn't match me up with Sean, so that took me out of my comfort zone. But it was a good thing. When I did it, I was like, oh right, why wouldn't you just put me with Sean? That would be easier. But the more people you work with, the better. You can take the good stuff out, you can leave the bad stuff if you want. But it's very important for you to work with different people, see how they see things, hear things. And yeah, just to be around different people, to be influenced by other great musicians. Yeah, dwi'n gwybod, just gynewch beth chi eisiau gwneud a beth chi'n mwynhau, de. Mae'n ei gyd amdan mwynhau eich hunan a gwneud beth sy'n fwy naturiol i chi. So, yeah, go for it, de. Beth chi'n neb fel chi'n ôl.